In just over a month, a big fundraising event is coming up for the Pacer Center, a resource in our community helping families of children with disabilities. And it's coming at a time when they're seeing a shift in what families need most right now. So to tell us more, we're talking with Rose Quintero, Pacer's Parent Training and Advocacy Manager. Thanks so much for coming back.
Thank you. Thanks for having us.
Yes, of course. For folks who don't know about Pacer as their first time, can you describe the work you do?
Sure. So Pacer Center is an organization. Our mission is to improve the quality of life and enhance educational opportunities for children, young adults, and their families with disabilities. So we have been working at this since 1977. We have 3 areas that we work in, one of which was helping parent training and advocacy, so helping families navigate some of these very complex systems that they have to face in special education at school, disability services, and mental health services, life after high school. And then we also provide assistance for learning about assistive technology to help kids and young adults and adults themselves be more independent, and include social inclusion programs.
Okay, so you're helping children through a wide part of their lives.
Yeah.
And this afternoon, you actually have data to back up your impact. Can you kind of break down the numbers of what you're seeing as far as your reach?
Yeah, sure. So we've provided over 11,000 instances of individual assistance. So when families reach out to us by email or phone, we could give them information on navigating different systems. We've also had over 16,000 attendees at our trainings and workshops, because we also do a lot of training for families so they can learn advocacy skills. And then we've had over 9,000 families, unique families that we've helped this year.
So not only telling people about things, but showing families too.
Exactly.
I really like that. Okay,
Exactly.
so you have your core mission, but over the past few months, that's kind of shifted a little bit. Can you talk about that?
Yeah, so we're always working to support families and helping them advocate. But with all the recent happenings in Minnesota and Minneapolis and St. Paul especially, that are really strongly impacting immigrant families, we've seen a lot of, we've had to kind of shift and try and help with issues that are coming up because of everything that's going on. So we're seeing a lot of families that don't feel safe sending their kids to school. Or the kids don't feel safe at school, and so there's extra stress, so that's impacting how they're learning. They may be missing not only education, but special education services if they're not attending school, or they're now switching to an online school, which means those services might look differently. So, families are calling us to know, how does that work? How do I still get the education my child needs during these difficult times?
Right, just meeting families where they're at right now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Before I do let you go, I know that you guys provide free services, and a lot of that is from generous donors.
Yes.
And you have a gala coming up. Can you quickly talk about that?
Yeah, we are. I wanted to say we're free. We serve all families free of charge throughout the entire state. And the reason we can do that is because we are able to have events and raise money from very generous donors. On April 25th, we have our annual gala coming up. It'll be at the JW Marriott at the Mall of America. And that's a great opportunity for people to come that feel they can and support us. If they can't attend or buy a ticket, there's other ways to make donations or purchase items at our silent auction. But we really depend on those opportunities and that funding to keep us going, especially in difficult times.
To keep doing the important work, for sure. Rose, thank you so much for
Yeah.
educating us about what you guys do. It's very impactful to our community. We have details on how to get connected with the Pacer Center at care11.com/noon. We'll be right back.